Welcome to this channel. This video shows how to create unlimited YouTube accounts automatically using PVACreator. Add a random name. Add account amount that you want to create. Bind proxy. Notice the instruction under every option. We recommend binding one account with one proxy. Format like the username and password of proxy is optional. Only support HTTP type proxy. Import proxy from file. One text per line in the file. Add username. This is the email address prefix. Here you can input the recovery email or not. Leave those columns empty. PVACreator will use random data. Supports 2 phone service SMS, PVA and Jetsons code. Use Jetsons code. Input 2. Skip this. I did not need manual time. I use Jetsons code, so I skip SMS PVA column. Add Jetsons code username. Add token of Jetsons code echo phone service. How to get username and token. Register in this website. You can find the token under the account. After recharging, you can use this service. I need to find the corresponding code of Jetsons code. I use this Malaysia phone number. After registering the account, whether open the Gmail IMAP and POP3. Enable it, entering 1. Ignore this column. The information added just now will appear. Double-click to revise the data. Export the account information. Or go to the data manager to revise data. Remember saving data. Bind fingerprint. Click one-click settings. Click this button to run the task. Run on schedule. Set interval time. Fill the blanks automatically. Here we'll use the Jetsons code telephone service. I stop it. Click Open Accounts file. You can find the accounts created by PVACreator. Thanks for watching this video.